Question, will Solus Impeller be better than a stock 2022 Yamaha FX with Stage 1 mods and 8,000 tunes? I would consult with Green Hulk on that because impeller pitch testing has rendered has rendered varied results. So that's been the hardest thing because cavitation on the Yamaha has been such that out of the hole, you cavitate like a monster, but the stock impeller would take you pretty far. But then it's like guys want to get rid of cavitation, so they tighten up the leading edge. I would reach out to Green Hulk and go, hey, listen, a little curious on this. This is my combination. This is how I'm riding. These are my goals. What do you think? Because guys are like, I want to be faster. Shut up. You don't want to be faster. You don't know what you're talking about. You want to get rid of cavitation. Most people do. Because most people are accelerating. Most people are not in some balls out drag race and I got to go 90 miles an hour. So I would reach out and go, these are my goals. This is what I have thus far. I'm looking at these impeller pitches. What are your thoughts? And Greg and Jerry both answer those emails personally. Greg and Jerry both answer them. And they'll give you the right answer.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.